All right, 8th graders, let's look over the topic 2 test. And this is a different one. I posted this on our Google Classroom. So you can print it and actually practice this if you want. I also posted the answers. So this is exactly what your test is going to look like. I went away from the fractions and decimals, not because you don't need to know them, you do, but more because I want to see that you understand these concepts. So sometimes using whole numbers is better for me to see that you understand the concepts. Anyway, so you're going to have 1, 2, 3, you're going to have the first whole page is like your quiz, where it is you taking these numbers, simplifying them to get what the variable equals. So here you would distribute the 6 to both the 1 and the 7, -7, and then eventually end up with the 2. So looking at this, I think I'm going to go and do number 4 as a practice with you right now. The answer's 2, but I'm going to show you how to get that. Before you do anything, you want to simplify everything on this side of the equal sign and everything on this side of the equal sign. So in this problem, I have 4, 2, and -4. Well, 4 and -4 gives you a 0, and you're left with 2. So I have 4x plus 2 equals. Now, I scratch things out. If this is my paper, I'm going to scratch things out as I bring them together because it helps me know I got everything. All right, over here I have -3x plus 8x. Well, the x is going to stay the same, and -3 plus 8 is 5. These are integer rules. If I didn't know the integer rule, say you don't know integer rules, you take your calculator out, you type in the little -3 plus 8 equals, and it's going to give you 5. So learn how to use that to your advantage, because at this point, I assume you know how to do integers. All right, let's see here. Let's go to 8. In 8, I'm going to want to distribute. I'm going to want to simplify both sides of the equal sign. So over here, 8v, 8 times v is 8v. 8 times -8 is -64 equals -3 times v is -3v. -3 times +3 is -9. So even if you feel like, well, I don't want to use my calculator, I know what 3 times 3 is. If you do not remember the integer rule, type it in. That way you know that you will get the right answer. All right, now I'm going to simplify things. I'm going to start by adding 3v to both sides. Does it matter which way I go? No, because I'll get the same answer. I proved that in class. 8v plus 3v is 11v minus 64 equals -9. Don't forget that subtraction 9 is also like a -9. This is a great place to use your calculator because I have a -9 plus 64. Type in your calculator. Type -9 plus 64. And it should pop out with 55, positive 55. I'm going to divide by 11. V equals 5, which we already know. It's up there. So that is the first side to this homework assignment, or this test tomorrow.